We in Miami, turning up another night. We took the trophy, let the shorties take the yacht. We all in Santos, I rented out the spot. Friends, all of my friends, and they tryna get God. Her name is Angel, but she must forgot. She said her bestie won't.
Jaren and Joyce. Okay.
I could sleep with Marlene if she would like.
Okay. Or where do you want to sleep? Jaren has to be out for a walk that was to come visit you, Darren.
So tell me why as soon as we walked in she was like, me and Joyce, she didn't even consider me, y'all.
I thought you would want to share with Marlene.
I don't know who Marlene wants to sleep with.
Now she's sleeping with me. Y'all gonna miss me. I'm the best roommate to have.
Whatever.
If a man was here,
Miss Jackson.
This is a good time. Nope.
Hi guys, I'm here with Janet.
Yes, ma'am. Let's go around. Yeah. Look at this.
And if you hear this on the gong with your back, gong with your knees, baby shake it to the max. The DJ please turn up the bass to the max. Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love.
Another room.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Your pussy fat inna your ass. Yeah. Make your come first. Coulda never.
Oh, you got a camera?
Yes, man. We vlogging all week.
YouTube.
To Miami. Another one. This one's from Marlene. Marlene, are you ready? Birthday girl. Cheers to Marlene. Cheers. Look how cute she looks. Yes, ma'am.
We in Miami, turning up another night. We took the trophy, let the. You got. When you're working.
You nervous? Hey you guys, I'm at Nikki Beach. Fashion Nova.
Cut the camera, cut the film.
Back up. So tell me why I'm at Nikki Beach. This shit is so boring. Overpriced and boring. Do you hear the music? Like, I understand not every location has to play Afrobeat, but at least current enjoyable music. Boring. It's a Friday. Not really much is happening, unfortunately. But yeah, we just have this cabana. Girl. Super cute. There's nothing happening though. I don't know what needs to happen for it to start happening, but boring as fuck. African music. This place. Why would they do that to Brunham Boy, huh? Get it, Shelly.
Anyways,
Anyways, so get ready with me while I tell you about yesterday. So yesterday I didn't really have much footage of anything. Irresponsible YouTuber. And I didn't really vlog anything. I don't know why. Actually, I do know why. I came and the girls were already at the Airbnb, but we couldn't check in since it was still too early. So we dropped off our bags. We walked over to like a local sandwich spot. It's called Sun and Barrels or something like that. They had pink boxes and the food was disgusting. Disgusting. I already know Miami is not known for their food. That shit was disgusting. And at Nikki Beach, bro, it was nice aesthetically, but there should have been more to offer due to the price, because out of the 5 of us girls, we spent $800. $800. Maybe even closer to $900, because we had to do 2 day beds and each of us had to reach that $100 limit. The girls themselves, I don't know, they rated it like a 4 or a 3. I would say my experience was about a 3 as well. The beachfront was cute. I didn't even vlog going to the beach. Like, what was I doing, honestly? Just drinking. So let me get dressed.
Alright, so hey. Yeah,
We in Miami turning up another night.
Scared. He's gonna fall. Let's cut this shit out. Let's go back to the less windy side. So we are here out in Miami. Brunch and Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova, Fashion Nova. This is the fit.
We took the trophy, let the shorties take the eye.
Ouch. They pulled it out, still haven't pulled it back in.
Uh-oh, not too much.
That's Kayla.
I was cleaning up last night. Jared was not cleaning.
Uh-oh.
I was cleaning
That's
up.
what she was assuming.
This week, a hot new bombshell enters the villa.
Don't call me
I'm taking your man.
I'm taking your man. I'm taking your man. Taking your man.
Oh, yeah.
Back up, bitch. You ain't buying my house.
She can't put it down.
Bob.
Hello.
Kurt. Welcome. Channel.
Hi, Kurt.
Oh my God, look at her.
She doesn't. Tell her she doesn't.
She didn't get it.
My roommate made it. My roommate made it. My roommate made it. Roommate made it. Been waiting and waiting and waiting. Everybody else was laughing and kikiing in their own room. All I could do is play on my phone.
I'm here to rest. Yeah, she
She's finally here.
requested. I was supposed to be a roommate. She said, no, I want Joyce.
Yeah.
I was like, me in Joyce's room. She said, no. That's tea for me.
Yeah.
That's tea for me.
Yeah. I requested it and I got it.
Fucking serious. If my wig falls off here, I'll hold on to it. I will.
Finally. This is all I want to see. Continue.
Man, fucking vlog.
Continue. Man, straight. Hey, straight. Yeah, yesterday they were like, Jarenet, maybe it's because of age, but you take way too long to get dressed. I was like, what? Me? Yeah, they were claiming that I take too long, which is false. I don't take too long. I take just enough. Just enough. Hey y'all, so this is my outfit for day 2. Brunch, the Jamaican brunch. I got this, my Balenciaga dupe from SHEIN, of course. SHEIN. Big tees, still very cute. Full outfit. Follow me to brunch, okay? Let's go. Everybody else looks so pretty. In the club, what?
You think you should deep.
Oh my god, look at the gliss.
Shout out to Jarenet.
Gliss. What? I'm a bit scared, y'all. Cheers. It's giving grown and sexy.
Jen, last time you saw us, we were in the VR.
Yeah, we were talking shit about that. What's his name? Mr. Framer. Mr. Framer from hell.
Right now we're going to brunch.
We are.
We're late.
It's okay if we're late.
And then after brunch is
yeah, I have my cowboy hat.
they have like chairs. They can put chairs around, but there's no table. There's no table.
Marty on. I wonder what his DJ handle is. Hi. I better make the goddamn vlog. She be cutting me out. Where I dunk canoe. And in Miami, they got bad customer service. So let's see how long it takes.
35 hours.
35 hours to get. I'm gonna give the camera back to the, what's this person called? The host. It was so nice chatting with y'all. This is a different type of high. I became okay with it. Y'all look at my makeup. Oh!
We get like 20 minutes to take this makeup off.
Yeah, I just wanna wipe this part off.
For 15 minutes, we can be able to do that.
Yeah.
At this point,
Where did the order?
Hot.
I feel like
Bumbo clot. It's hot. That's fuck.
as fuck.
It's hot.
Right now we got Dunkin'. This Miami Beach.
Erica celebrating her birthday. Listen, happy birthday, Erica. More life, more blessings. Come on. Take the shot. Take the shot. Take the shot.
I just stopped it.
It's your birthday. Here we go.
Getting money. Yeah, we getting paid.
If you honestly, if you want, I'd love to upgrade you next time. Truthfully, this is my yacht. Like,
Wow, nice.
I love to get your info. Get my info.
Info? I don't even have my phone on me. Sorry.
Here, now I'm in the fucking water.
How do you feel? Drunk as fuck? Yeah, you know. I know I am.
I'll hold it too. I can't swim. It's easy. It's okay.
Go.
No.
Hey, bitch. I can't fucking swim.
She could swim by the grace
iPhone,
of
yes.
God.
And then the, yes.
We took the trophy, let the shorties take the yacht. We all in Santos, I rented out the spot. Friends, all of my friends, and they tryna get God. Her name is Angel, but she must forgot. She said her bestie won't.
You're next.
Yum, yum, yum.
Good love make you turn on twist. Then stack much up in head. Kylie, Peasy, Nikki, Sashi, Diddy, Rama, Parish, Nefa.
Is she gonna fall? What's she fall?
Everything I got around even like I got renovated. White and small niggas, tall niggas, don't take no small bitches. All pretty and the job. My parents and we coming 50 deep. You ain't know I wasn't here cause I'm always looking fleet.
Like fire wine, sweet, you right now.
Y'all get us a face.
You know me good, really beat you
It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 90 by the creek.
Turned up in my shoulders, yeah, cause I'm got that thing you can drill.
And a brand new school right. You gon' jump that head. You know the way I said.
Yeah, this is going in the box.
Why you really so damn fast? What's up in the song? He talking about baby, you need some be a psychic or something. He had a key function and he got his say I'm gorgeous. Let him go record me.
My boy, you good? Do a trick or what? Are you okay? Okay.
How embarrassing. So what happened was we pulled up to the restaurant, African time of course, and they said we missed our reservation and our table has been given up. Now we're on the Las Vegas Strip. I'm sorry, this ain't Las Vegas. We're on the Miami Strip and we don't know what we're doing. We don't know if we want to eat. We don't know if we just want to go back home. This is my friend Taylor. Yeah, I am vlogging.
I'm starving. I'm starving.
Yeah, I do. You do? I do. I want to watch your YouTube videos. Oh. Such a cute outfit. Going to waste. How are you guys doing? What happened today? What just happened?
Same shit, just a different day. Different place.
Different city, but same shit. It's hard to get these cards. These big ass shoes.